Many English learners have the same problem. They understand English, they listen well, they read well, but inside their head, they think in another language. Then they try to speak, and everything becomes slow. This video solves that problem. Today, you learn how to think in English using simple thoughts and simple feelings. You do not translate. You do not prepare long sentences. You use short ideas, one idea at a time. This is how English becomes natural. First, let us understand one thing. Thinking in English does not mean thinking about big ideas. It means thinking about small, daily things you already do. Let us start with very simple thoughts. Listen. I am here. Repeat. I am here. Another thought. I am sitting. Repeat. I am sitting. Another one. I am listening. Repeat. I am listening. These are thoughts. They happen inside your head. Now we add feelings. Listen. I feel okay. Repeat. I feel okay. Another feeling. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel calm. Another one. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. These sentences are easy. They describe your inner state. Now we connect thought and feeling. Listen first. I am sitting. I feel calm. Now repeat. I am sitting. I feel calm. This is thinking in English. No translation, just observation. Now we move through the day inside your mind. You wake up. Before you speak, you can think. Listen. It is morning. Repeat. It is morning. Another thought. I am awake. Repeat. I am awake. Another one. I feel sleepy. Repeat. I feel sleepy. These thoughts happen naturally. Now you get out of bed. Listen. I get up. Repeat. I get up. Another thought. I need coffee. Repeat. I need coffee. Another one. I feel slow. Repeat. I feel slow. You see, these are very small ideas. Now you move in your home. Listen. I walk to the kitchen. Repeat. I walk to the kitchen. Another thought. I open the fridge. Repeat. I open the fridge. Another one. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast. All of these are thoughts. Now we add feeling again. Listen. I feel better. Repeat. I feel better. Or, I feel awake. Repeat. I feel awake. You do not explain why. You just notice. Now we move outside. Listen. I leave the house. Repeat. I leave the house. Another thought. It is cold today. Repeat. It is cold today. Or, it is warm today. Repeat. Choose one. Now we talk about the mind during work or study. Listen. I am working. Repeat. I am working. Another thought. I am busy. Repeat. I am busy. Another one. I feel focused. Repeat. I feel focused. This is internal English. Now we add simple questions in the mind. Listen. What am I doing? Repeat. What am I doing? Another one. How do I feel? Repeat. How do I feel? These questions help your brain. They create English inside. Now we practice together. Listen first. It is morning. I am awake. I feel sleepy. I get up. I eat breakfast. I feel better. Now repeat one line at a time. It is morning. I am awake. I feel sleepy. I get up. I eat breakfast. I feel better. You are thinking in English. Now we move to the middle of the day. Listen. It is afternoon. Repeat. It is afternoon. Another thought. I am working. Repeat. I am working. Another one. I feel busy. Repeat. I feel busy. These thoughts are very common. Now we add a break. Listen. I take a break. Repeat. I take a break. Another thought. I sit down. Repeat. I sit down. Another feeling. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. Or, I feel okay. Repeat. Now we connect again. Listen. I work. I take a break. I feel tired. Now repeat. I work. I take a break. I feel tired. Simple and clear. Now we talk about emotions inside. Listen. I feel stressed. Repeat. I feel stressed. Another one. I feel calm. Repeat. I feel calm. Another one. I feel happy. Repeat. I feel happy. You do not explain. You just notice. Now we practice inner talk. Listen first. I am working. I feel stressed. I take a break. I feel calm. Now repeat. I am working. I feel stressed. I take a break. I feel calm. This is thinking in English. Now pause for yourself. Think one sentence. What are you doing now? Say it inside. How do you feel now? Say it inside. Good. Now we move to the evening. Listen. It is evening. Repeat. It is evening. Another thought. I am at home. Repeat. I am at home. Another feeling. I feel relaxed. Repeat. I feel relaxed. This is natural English. Now we talk about small evening actions. Listen. I sit on the sofa. Repeat. I sit on the sofa. Another thought. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. Another one. I feel quiet. Repeat. I feel quiet. Very good. Now we connect evening thoughts. Listen. It is evening. I am at home. I feel relaxed. Now repeat. It is evening. I am at home. I feel relaxed. You are doing well. Now we prepare for night. Listen. It is night. Repeat. It is night. Another thought. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed. Another feeling. I feel sleepy. Repeat. I feel sleepy. This is the end of the day. Now we practice the full inner day. Listen first. It is morning. I feel sleepy. I work. I feel busy. I take a break. I feel calm. It is evening. I feel relaxed. It is night. I feel sleepy. You just thought in English for a full day. Remember this. Thinking in English is not hard. It is quiet. Small thoughts, short sentences, every day. In the next part, we will go deeper. We will use opinions, simple worries, hopes, self-talk, all in easy English. Now we go deeper. We still think in English, but the thoughts become clearer. They are still simple. They are still short. We start with opinions. Opinions are small thoughts. Listen. I like this. Repeat. I like this. Another opinion. I do not like this. Repeat. I do not like this. You can use these every day. Now we add reasons, but we keep them simple. Listen. I like this. It is easy. Now repeat. I like this. It is easy. Another example. I do not like this. It is hard. Repeat. I do not like this. It is hard. Do not explain more. 2 sentences are enough. Now we move to small worries. Everyone has worries. We say them quietly inside. Listen. I feel worried. Repeat. I feel worried. Another one. I feel nervous. Repeat. I feel nervous. These thoughts are normal. Now we add time to worries. Listen. I feel worried today. Repeat. I feel worried today. Or, I feel nervous now. Repeat. Choose one. Now we add calm thoughts. Listen. It is okay. Repeat. It is okay. Another one. I am safe. Repeat. I am safe. These thoughts help your mind. Now we connect worry and calm. Listen. I feel worried. It is okay. Now repeat. I feel worried. It is okay. This is powerful English. Simple and real. Now we move to hopes. Hopes are soft thoughts. Listen. I want to learn. Repeat. I want to learn. Another one. I want to improve. Repeat. I want to improve. These thoughts move you forward. Now we add English to hopes. Listen. I want to speak English. Repeat. I want to speak English. Another one. I want to feel confident. Repeat. I want to feel confident. Very good. Now we connect present and future. Listen. I practice every day. I want to improve. Now repeat. I practice every day. I want to improve. This is clear thinking. Now we move to self-talk. Self-talk is what you say to yourself. It is very important. Listen. I am learning. Repeat. I am learning. Another one. I am getting better. Repeat. I am getting better. These sentences build confidence. Now we add patience. Listen. I take my time. Repeat. I take my time. Another one. I do not rush. Repeat. I do not rush. This is good English. Now we connect self-talk. Listen. I am learning. I take my time. Now repeat. I am learning. I take my time. This changes your thinking. Now we move to mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Listen. I make mistakes. Repeat. I make mistakes. Another thought. That is normal. Repeat. That is normal. This is important English. Now we connect mistakes and calm. Listen. I make mistakes. That is okay. Now repeat. I make mistakes. That is okay. You see, simple thoughts reduce fear. Now we move to decisions. Decisions can be small. Listen. I choose English today. Repeat. I choose English today. Another one. I practice now. Repeat. I practice now. These are strong thoughts. Now we move through the day again, but this time we stay inside the mind. Listen. It is morning. I feel sleepy. I say, it is okay. Now repeat. It is morning. I feel sleepy. It is okay. Listen. It is afternoon. I feel busy. I take a breath. Now repeat. It is afternoon. I feel busy. I take a breath. Listen. It is evening. I feel calm. I feel safe. Now repeat. It is evening. I feel calm. I feel safe. Listen. It is night. I feel tired. I rest. Now repeat. It is night. I feel tired. I rest. You are thinking in English. Now it's your turn. Think one sentence now. Think one feeling now. Think one calm thought. Good. Remember this. Thinking in English is not loud. It is quiet. It is not fast. It is slow. Short thoughts, clear feelings. Every day. This is your task. During the day, think 5 short sentences in English. Do not speak. Just think. Example. I am here. I feel okay. I am learning. Write one thought in the comments. Any simple thought is fine. If this video helps you, subscribe to the channel. We practice English slowly. We practice every day.